Brown versus Board of Education, 1954. Shannon Brown and Alicia Houston. American Government, Black 6.
There were two African-American sisters named Linda Brown and Terry Lynn. They lived in Topeka, Kansas area and attended the Kansas City School District every day. Her and her sister would walk across the rough, rickety railroads just to go to school, to the school bus stop, to go to summer school. This was the school where the African-Americans attended. It was named the All-Black Monroe. Linda tried to gain some right to go to school that was right next to her home and way closer than the other school. Unfortunately, she was turned down because she was black and this was an all-white school. Linda and her parents thought this was wrong, and the school violated the 14th Amendment and took their case to court. Federal District Court decided that segregation in public education was harmful to black children. But because all black schools and all white schools had similar buildings, transportation, curriculums, and teachers, the segregation was legal. The Browns appealed their case to the Supreme Court, stating that even if the faculties were similar, segregated schools could never be equal to one another. The court decided that the state laws requiring separate but equal schools violated the Equal Protection Clause of the 4th Amendment. Both sides of the argument. The lawyer that were for Board of Education was arguing that many people, including black scholars, did not see a problem with making African Americans attend an all-black school. The lawyers that were on Brown's side argued that the only reason for African Americans and white people to be separated for education would be if they could prove that African Americans were different than everyone else. After 3 long years with dealing with the case, the Supreme Court had ruled in favor of Linda Brown and the other African Americans just like her. The U.S. Supreme Court decision. The Supreme Court has said that it was not fair to have blacks and whites attend different schools just because of their race. The judges voted on the case 9-0. The impact of the court decision. The impact of the Supreme Court ruling in favor of Linda Brown and all the other African Americans gave African Americans the equal right to attend the same school as whites. Before the ruling, the white kids at school. After, and then all black Monroe, the children attended in different schools than the other kids. And then 50 years later, they all attended the same school. And how the case moved through the court system. It went to Supreme Court, and then Supreme Court of the United States, and then U.S. District Court for the District of Kansas.
And we're excited.